2 times in 1 week. Back for Saturday. It's pretty rough the other day, so always wanted to come back for another little ride. And they have prepped it.
There's kids over there.
They've done a prep, a surface prep.
You don't. Probably never.
Over that side?
Yeah.
Brothers? Track looks so much better than the other day, doesn't it? Concentrate, big boy.
This time I want to be more careful.
Yeah, don't worry about what the other kids are doing. You know, brother? Big seniors.
It's gonna get scared. Oh, never mind.
I'll be back in a sec. I like the friendly thank you.
Yeah.
Fuck, you're ripping, dude.
See me on that step up on the last lap.
Not on the last one. What happened?
I went up, sent it. I sort of went like this, brakes up, bang.
I see you've been doing it slightly. Oh, I got that. You're fucking crazy, brother.
Do you see how fast you have to go?
Yeah. I've got some good videos down
You
there.
have to go full spin to send the triple, whereas you can't hit it.
Yeah, you are going pretty
I tried
quick.
third pin my first go. Alright, next jump is the... Did you see
Well, you need to follow. He needs to slow down so you can follow him over.
I'm the one behind Tyson all the time. I let Tyson.
Yeah, well, he just
pop,
pulled away, mate.
So he can I wasn't going. They were just all on. Hey, Dad. That's
Go, Pierre. Done, brother.
Can I go out again?
No,
There's a kid
we're packing
going
up.
on. There's a kid going on.
Yeah, it's the minis now. It's the...
Bit mini. Can you
No,
resend it?
but we didn't want to watch you.
It just looks sketchy. Like you run up to it and it looks like you're gonna slide out if you go any faster than that.
I did feel
But
like
you-
that, but I still do it.
Yeah, but you had
It
to...
feels like that all the time, but it looks worse today.
Yeah,
Remember I said I'm probably not going to hit the triple? I hit it every single lap. And then I said that again, I hit it every single lap.
All right, time to watch the bikes.